hype videos online, all the marketing blitz that's going on does not matter when you get down to the ground level. Because when you get down to the ground level, sorry to say it, U.S. forces are still taking DJIs out to the field. Doesn't matter if they're banned. Guys will get on Amazon and swipe a credit card and buy the thing that works. Doesn't matter what you've equipped them with. This is the problem, not just in the United States, but when I look overseas at what's happening in Ukraine, that is absolutely indicative of what we could expect in a conflict in the South China Sea. All of our partners in an island hopping campaign, they are not bringing anything U.S. made. They are bringing DJI and Autel robotics because they are the most affordable, best products in the world. And that was the gap we saw, and that's what we oriented toward and married it all up with how do I fold it into massive infrastructure system of systems.